Hello YouTubers, this is the unboxing video of my Axor helmet. I have purchased Axor Stealth Crazy, the black and orange shade. So let's unbox it quickly, and we'll just go through the a simple how it looks and all. Okay, so this is my beast R15, the red color. Let's unbox it. Just keep it aside. And here it goes. Wow. Nice. They have given Axor keychain, a little bit of stickering, which I definitely needed. Let's see how it goes. Nice. This can be placed on my tank, that'll look better. Oh, this is a useful feature. Whatever is your blood group, you can stick it on tank or something, like, so that people know. That's nice. This, I'm not sure for what purpose they have given this kind of gray color stickers. Let's see, we'll keep it aside. And finally the keychain. Keychain is not that good quality, but still manageable. At least they have taken the liberty to give it free along with the product. That's nice. See, it's nice. So according to the box content, it says 2 years warranty, aerodynamics ABS shell, and it's a DOT certified. The main important part for which I bought this helmet was just because of the anti-fog lens which they are providing. Even I was supposed to buy Soul Unicorn or Soul Infinity, but both of those didn't had the anti-fog shell, the anti-fog visor, I mean to say, sorry. So yeah, like the box says, see, it's a sun visor. We have a sun visor inside, anti-fog, anti-scratch, and 2.2 mm thickness of the shell, for the visor. Nice. One step removal. It's a medium helmet, I need a medium size, and it has a double D ring. Nice. So I'll just quickly focus inside. See, it's nice. Inside it's very comfortable, removable, detachable, everything is removable. And here is one small placement for your Bluetooth speakers, which we will be installing, like probably I have to order it. Let's see, probably by next week or so I'll buy it. Again, it looks really good. See, and the main crazy. Okay, certification wise it says DOT and EC certified both. Wow, it's really value for money. I bought this for like 4,900 from a store, so I think it's totally worth. And the final stage, removing the whoa. Nice. We'll remove this one as well. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use this one because I hate sun visors, but still we'll just open it and keep it, in case kabhi use kar hi liya to. Nice. Okay, so overall a good helmet, and I would definitely suggest you can buy this helmet. Really good helmet. Thank you. Keep watching.